This video explains how to set the time and date on your BabyG BA-110 watch. Return back to the timekeeping mode to start the time settings. Hold down the adjust button until the second starts to flash to start the setting mode. Use the search button to reset the seconds. Choose the DST settings by pressing the mode button, and toggle the setting using search button. Press the mode button to set the home city, and use the search button and the light button to change it. Select the hour settings by pressing the mode button, and adjust it by using the search button and the light button. Now, select the minute settings using the mode button, and adjust it with the search button and the light button. You can toggle the hour display format between 12 hours and 24 hours by pressing the search button. Select the year settings by pressing the mode button, and adjust it by using the search button and the light button. Choose the month settings by pressing the mode button, and set it with the search button and the light button. Press the mode button to select the day settings, and use the search button and the light button to adjust it. Exit from the setting mode to the timekeeping mode by pressing the adjust button.